Hello, good morning. We are Andres Vargas and Jimena now, and today we want to share a management model for public work supervision. The idea is to show how BI, KPIs, and light automation can help apps organize information and make better decisions. We won't go into very heavy technical details, but focus on how this model works in daily contract supervision. Go.
Context and problem. In a typical supervision contract, we handle drawings, reports, minutes, emails, photos, schedules, and budgets all at once. A lot of this information is spread across folders, spreadsheets, and separate emails. This makes validation slow, reports arrive late, and it's hard to trace decisions back to clear and complete evidence.
Purpose of the model. With this model, we want something very practical to give a structure to information so it's organized and easy to find. We want evidence to move from just files in a folder to clear indicators that everyone can understand. This helps us decide faster, avoid rework, and reduce the risks of losing information or not being able to justify a decision.
Conceptual foundations. The model is not invented from scratch. It's based on PM Book, ISO 21502, and data governance principles. We use BI so that the contract can be read on dashboard, not only in PDF and spreadsheets. When we say light automation, we mean simple, realistic steps using tools and already have, not a huge IT project.
Model architecture. The model starts from real contract sources, reports, minutes, site visits, schedules, and budgets. On top of that, we define a data governance layer, required files, naming conventions, and validation rules. Then we have the technical side, ETL to clean and merge data, a semantic model, BI dashboards, and some automation for alerts and reports.
Core components. The first component in data governance, defining the dictionary, minimum fields, and version control. The second is ETL, clear process to clean and join information from different sources. The third is BI dashboard, where we see progress, quality, cost, and traceability. And the fourth is automation, reminders, status updates, and report templates that almost generate themselves.
Model KPIs. The model is tracked with several KPIs. One key metric is ITZ, the traceability index, how many records have complete evidence. We also look at how long reports take after the cutoff date and what share of deliverables arrive on time. We measure that integrity and, very importantly, how users feel about the tool through the is usability score.
How it works in practice. In practice, the team records information on templates with recurring fields, not in random formats. That information runs through a validations, rules, and is automatically integrated into the model. Then the team uses dashboard, get alerts when something is missing or delayed, and generates reports using predefined formats.
Expected benefits. With this model, we expect it to be much clearer who did what, when, and based on which evidence. Reports should come out faster with consistent data that is easy to verify. We also reduce time spent on repetitive manual tasks and lower the risk of errors in consolidate information.
Implementation roadmap. Implementing the model does not happen overnight. We suggest starting with a diagnostic and a basic data governance and KPI design. Then we build a BI prototype with a few contracts and key users. After that, we run a pilot, fix what doesn't work well, and if results are positive, we scale it up and formalize in the procedures.
Closing and next steps. In to close, to close, this model is meant to be practical, not just theoretical, and replicable in different public entities. Next steps are to test in real contract, measure the results, and share them in technical on academic spaces. The final goal is to improve governance, accountability, and the end, the value delivered to citizens. Thank you for your attention.
Model conclusions. In summary, this model helps us bring order and traceability to all the information we handled in supervision. The key idea is that evidence doesn't stay hidden in folders, but feeds clear KPIs that support our decisions. We designed it using tools that many public entities already have or can access without a huge investment, combining BI and simple automations. And most importantly, it's a framework that can be adjusted to different contract types and replicated on other public entities.
The course achievements, one, integration of theory and practice. Two, development of an applied model. Three, professional project management. Four, innovative and replicable proposal. And five, use of digital tools. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you for your attention and goodbye.
Goodbye.